Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am Richard. This is Richard Reviews Children's Books, and today I have for you What's Inside of Me, My Heart and Blood by Meachen Rau. And this is a very rudimentary look at the circulatory system. In fact, it is so rudimentary. Oh no, yes, okay. Big letters. Big pictures. Okay, not a lot going on here text-wise, but this is a children's book, and this is a difficult topic for children to understand, so that's not a bad thing. In fact, basically speaking, how do you know you should get this for your child? You walk up there and say, do you know how your heart works? And the blood pumping part, and if they say no, you need to get them this book. So yeah, accurate, straightforward, to the point. Not really a book that is designed for entertainment. More a book that is designed to inform. It is also a good, solid book. I love these really solid books. And this is the kind of thing that would last for generations. It's really sad this one, of course, came from a library and it was discarded. And I think not only this one, but another exact copy somehow wound up in my possession. So I don't know if I can give these to a friend or not. But I have to say, I enjoyed this book. I would have liked to have it as a kid. And, but this is the kind of book I read.